Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started the properties of multiplication of matrices. In that one, we have already completed the first property, that is the assertive property. On that, we completed some of the examples. Now today we go for next property of multiplication of matrices. Second one, distributive property. Distributive. If A, B and C are three matrices, then it will satisfy two distributive laws. The first one is A plus B into C. It is equal to AC plus BC. It is called first distributive property. And second property, A into B plus C, it is equal to AB plus AC. It is called second distributive property, provided the both sides of equation will exist. Means here A plus B into C exists and AC plus BC will exist. Then this property holds good. Similarly for second also, the both side of the equality must satisfy. Before that they will exist. A into B plus C exists here. Here AB plus AC exists. Then this property holds good. That means they are under the condition of multiplication of matrices. Now we go for some of the examples. Example 1. If A equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, B equal to minus 1, 0, 2, 1 and C equal to 2, 3, 1, 1. Prove that both distributive laws. First one is A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC, and second one A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Now we go for one by one. First you prove the first result. After that you go for the second one. In the first one, we need A plus B into C for left hand side. First you calculate left hand side. Solution. First one. In that you calculate first A plus B. A plus B means we add A and B matrices. That is 2, 1, 3, 2 plus B is minus 1, 0, 2, 1. Now we add these two corresponding elements. 2 minus 1, these two added. Next 1 plus 0. Next 3 plus 2. It is 2 plus 1. It is A plus B. Now you get 1, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. It is the value of A plus B. After that we want A plus B into C. For that you make A plus B into C. A plus B is there already. 1, 1, 5, 3 into this you multiply with C matrix. C is 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1. Again you apply rule of multiplication, row with column. That is 1 with 2, 2 and 1 with 1 plus 1. First row, first column. Next first row, second column. 1 with 3 plus 1 into 1. Next second row with first column. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Next 5 into 3, 15 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So you get 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, it is 10 plus 3, 13, 15 plus 3 is 18. Call this as 1. It is the left hand side value of given example. Next we try for right right hand side value, that is AC plus BC value. First to calculate AC given by, first to write matrix A, that is 2 1 3 2, and C is 2 3 1 1. Now you multiply these two. Again, first row with first column, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next, first row with second column, 2 into 3 6 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next, second row with first column, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next, second row with second column, 3 into 3, it is 9 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Then you get 5, 7, 8, 11. Now it is the value of AC. Next we want the value of BC for right hand side. Then you calculate BC value. BC is given by, first you write B matrix, minus 1 0 2 1 into C matrix is 2 3 1 1. Again you multiply these two, row with column. Now minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 1 into 0 is 0. Next, first row with second column, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 0 into 1 is 0. Next, second row with first column, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1. Next, second row with second column, 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 into 1 is 1. You get minus 2, minus 3, 5, 7. Now it is matrix BC. After that we want AC plus BC. You add those two, AC plus BC equal to, substitute AC value. AC value is 5 7 8 11, 5 7 8 11, and this BC is minus 2 minus 3 5 7. Add these two. Then 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. Next, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. Next, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. After that, 11 plus 7, it is 18. Call this as equation number 2. Now you observe from 192, the right hand side values are equal, 3 4 13 18. Here also 3 4 13 18, they are equal. Therefore automatically the first result is satisfied. Therefore we conclude that by 192 we proved that A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. It is nothing but left distributive law of the multiplication of matrices. Here the A is multiplied with the left side of this B plus C matrix, therefore it is considered as left distributive law of the distributive law. Take this out. Next we go for second one. The second one is A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. First you consider B plus C. Second one, B plus C matrix. B plus C given by minus 1 0 2 1 plus 2 3 1 1. Add these two matrices. It is minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. 0 plus 3 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2. It is the matrix B plus C. After that we calculate A into B plus C, that is A into B plus C. A is nothing but 2 1 3 2 into B plus C is 1 3 3 2. Again we start multiplication of these two, row with column. First row, first column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Next, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 1 into 2 is 2. Next, 3 into 1 is 3, plus 2 into 3 is 6. Next, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 2 into 2 is 4. So answer is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Now it is the value of A into B plus C. Call this as 1. Next to go for the right hand side value AB and AC. First to calculate AB. AB is given by, first to write A value is 2132, B value is -1 0 2 1. Multiply these two, row with column, 2 into -1 plus 1 into 2. First row, first column, that is -2 plus 2. Next, first row with second column, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1, that is 0 plus 1. The second row, first column, 3 into -1 -3 plus 2 into 2 is 4. The second row, second column, 3 into 0 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2, that is 0 plus 2. Now this is equal to, simplify this, 2 minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 3 plus 4 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2. It is the matrix AB. Next we need the matrix AC. So AC given by A into C. A value is 2 1 3 2, C is 2 3 1 1. Again multiplication, it is given like this. First row with first column, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1. Next, first row with second column, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next, second row with first column, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next, second row in second column, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 2 into 2, 2 into 1 is 2. Then you get 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8, 9 plus 2 is 11. Now it is AC matrix. Then you consider AB plus AC. AB plus AC equal to, AB value substitute, AB got 0 1 1 2 plus AC is 5 7 8 11. Now simplify this. Addition of two matrices, 0 plus 5 is 5. Next, 1 plus 7 is 8. Next, 1 plus 8 is 9. Next, 2 plus 11 is 13. Call this as equation number 2. Now you observe from 1 and 2, both right hand sides are equal. That is 5 8 9 13. Here also 5 8 9 13. Both are equal. Therefore, it is concluded that by 1 and 2, A into B plus C equal to, A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So it is second property of the distributive law. Like that you prove the result by using multiplication and addition of the matrices. Better this. Let's go for another example. If A equal to 2 1 minus 1 3 2 1 1 0 2, B equal to 3 1 0 minus 1 2 1 2 3 1. and C equal to 3, 1, 4. Then verify that A plus B into C, it is equal to AC plus BC. This you check by using the three matrices. Now we go for the solution. Here it is given three matrices. A is a matrix of order 3 by 3, B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, and C is a matrix of order 3 by 1. Using these three matrices, we verify the result A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. First we go for left hand side. For that you want A plus B first. First you calculate the value of A plus B. A is 2 1 minus 1, 3 2 1, 1 0 2. Next B is 3 1 0, minus 1 2 1, 2 3 1. And add these two by corresponding element of addition of matrices. 2 plus 3, it is 5. Next 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Next second row, 3 plus minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, it is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. Next go for third row, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3. It is third row, it is the value of A plus B. Then we calculate A plus B into C. A plus B into C equal to A plus B you got 5, 2 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3 into matrix is 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. Now it is of order 3 by 3, it is of order 3 by 1. A plus B into C will exist and required order is again 3 by 1. Then you simplify this. First row in this column, 5 into 3, 15, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Next second row, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 4 into 1 is 4, plus 2 into 4 is 8. Next third row in this column, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 3 into 4 is 12. Now it is A plus B into C. Simplify this one. It is 15 plus 2, 17. 17 minus 4 is 13. Then 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Call this as 1. Then you go for right hand side. That is AC and BC. After that AC plus BC. First we calculate AC matrix. A with C. A is 2 1 minus 1, 3 2 1, 1 0 2. C matrix is 3 1 4. Again we start multiplication, row with column. That's 2 into 3 is 6, plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Next 3 into 3 is 9, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 4 is 4. Next 1 into 3 is 3, plus 1 into 0 0, plus 2 into 4 is 8. We get 6 plus 1, 7 minus 4 is 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4 is 15, 3 plus 8 is 11. Now it is the matrix AC. Similarly, we calculate BC matrix. For that, you take B with C. B matrix is 3 1 0 and minus 1 2 1, 2, 3, 1. C is 3, 1, 4. Again you multiply these two, row with column. First row with this column, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 4 is 0. Next, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 4 is 4. Next, with third row in this column, 2 into 3 is 6, plus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 1 into 4 is 4. We get 9 plus 1 is 10, and 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Now it is BC matrix. Then we consider AC plus BC matrix. AC plus BC. AC you got, BC matrix also you got. So AC is 3, 15, 11. 3, 15, 11. BC matrix is 3, 1, 4. Now add these two. You get 3 plus 3 is 6. 15 plus 1 is 16. 11 plus here BC got, it is 10, 3, 13. AC it is there already, 3, 15, 11. AC plus BC 3, 15, 11, plus BC is 10, 3, 13. Add these two. 3 plus 10 is 13. 15 plus 3 is 18. 11 plus 13 is 24. Now you observe from 1 and 2, both are equal. Right hand sides are equal. That is 13, 18, 24. It is also 13, 18, 24. Therefore, by 1 and 2 we conclude that left hand side equal to right hand side. That is A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. AC plus BC. Take it as very important 5 marks question for your examination. Next we go for another example. It is similar to last question. A equal to 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, and B equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0. C equal to 2, minus 1, 3. Verify that A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Now we go for left hand side. After that we go for right hand side. A plus B equal to, first add these two. A is 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. B is 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0. This is equal to, add corresponding element, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. Second row, minus 1 plus 4, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 1, 3. Third row, 2 plus minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 0, 1. It is matrix A plus B. Then you go for A plus B into C. A plus B into C. A plus B is 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 3, 1 into matrix C given 2, minus 1, 3. Then you go for multiplication, row with column. First row with column, 3 into 2, 6, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, plus 2 into 3 is 6. Second row with this column, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, plus 3 into 3 is 9. Third row in this column, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, plus 1 into 3 is 3. We get, it is 6 minus 5, 1 plus 6 is 7. Next, 6 minus 4, 2 plus 9 is 11. Next, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, it is 2. Call this as equation number 1. It is left hand side. Then you go for right hand side, AC. AC given by first A, 1 2 1, minus 1 3 2, 2 1 1. It is a matrix C is 2 minus 1 3. Again we multiply these two. First row, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 1 into 3 is 3. Second row in this column, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, plus 2 into 3 is 6. Next, third row, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 3 is 3. So answer is 2 to cancel, it is 3, and minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 6 is 1, 4 minus 1 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. It is AC. Then we go for BC matrix, B into C. First we write B. B is 2 3 1, 4 1 1, minus 1 2 0. It is B. C matrix is 2 minus 1 3. Now again we start multiplication. Again row with column. First row is this, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Second row in this column, 4 into 2 is 8, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Next, third row this column, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, plus 3 into 0 is 0. Now we get 3 3 cancel, 4, 8 minus 1 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, minus 2 is minus 4. Now we go for right hand side, AC plus BC matrix. AC you got already. AC matrix is that is 3 1 6, and BC matrix is 4 10 minus 4. Add these two. 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 10 is 11, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Call this as 2. Now by 1 and 2 we conclude that right hand sides are equal, that is 7 11 2, it is also 7 11 2. Therefore we conclude that A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. It is proof of this result, and the result is verified. Write this. Now we go for next example. If f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, and third row is 0 0 1, then so that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Now I go for proof of this example. First, it is already given that f of x value, f of x is given by, it is cos x minus sin x 0. Second row is sin x cos x 0. third row is 0, 0, 1. Now in this we want f of y. F of y means you put x equal to y in the above, you get f of y directly. F of y equal to, wherever x is there, you replace by y, then you get f of y. Here cos x changes to cos y, it is minus sin y, 0. Second row is sin y, cos y, 0. Third row 0, 0, 1. It is f of y value. Then we have to prove f of x into f of y as f of x plus y. For that we consider LHS, left hand side, it is f of x into f of y. F of x value substitute, f of x is cos x minus sin x, 0, sin x cos x, 0, 0, 0, 1 into f of y value is cos y minus sin y, 0, sin y cos y, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we go for multiplication of these two matrices, that is row with column. First row we multiply with first column, after that first row is second column, after that first row is third column. Now it is given like this. First you multiply cos x with cos y, that is cos x into cos y. Next minus sin x with this, minus sin x into sin y is minus sin x into sin y. Next 0 into 0 plus 0. First row first column completed. Next first row with second column, cos x into minus sin y, it is minus cos x into sin y. Next minus sin x into cos y, minus sin x into cos y. After that 0 with 0 plus 0. Next go for first row with third column, cos x into 0 minus sin x into 0, 0 into 1, that is 0 minus 0 plus 0. So it is first row completed. Similarly go for second row with first column, second column and third column. Sin x into cos y, it is sin x cos y. Next cos x into sin y plus cos x into sin y. Next 0 with 0 plus 0. Next second row with second column, it is sin x into minus sin y, it is minus sin x sin y, minus sin x sin y. Next cos x into cos y plus cos x into cos y. Next plus 0 into 0 plus 0. Next go for second row third column, sin x into 0 cos x into 0 plus 0 into 1, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next we go for third row with third column, it is 0, 0 and it is also 0. So I get 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next third row with second column, 0 into sin y minus sin y, 0, 0 into cos y, 0 and 1 into 0 is also 0, that is 0 minus 0 plus 0. Next third row in third column, that is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, that is 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now simplify this, it is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y as it is. Now here you take minus common here because here minus is common. First I will write this term, it is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. It is written like this, and here simplification of that is 0. Next we go for second row. It is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y as it is. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here it is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. I write it as first cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. First I write positive term, next I write negative term. And here also 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Then third row, it is 0. It is simplification is 0. It is 1. Now you observe it is on stand formula cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It is compound angle. The value of this is cos of x plus y. Similarly here minus outside, it is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. It is also compound angle. This value is always equal to sin of x plus y. It is 0 as it is. Next second row, here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Again it is sin of x plus y. Next cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is cos of x plus y. It is 0. Third row is 0, 0, 1 as it is. Because you know that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is always equal to cos of x plus y. It is standard formula. Similarly, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is always equal to sin of x plus y. These two are compound angles. According to that we return the result. Now you observe this side the given question. The value of f of x given as cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you compare this and this. If you observe both the equations, we conclude that wherever x is there, you are getting x plus y everywhere. Here cos x means here cos x plus y. Minus sin x is into minus sin x plus y. 0 as it is. Second row, sin x is sin x plus y. Cos x is cos x plus y. 0 as it is. Third row 0, 0, 1. Here also 0, 0, 1. That means we clearly observe that x is changed by x plus y. If it is x, it is nothing but f of x. If it is x plus y, so it is answer is f of x plus y. Now left hand side you are taken as f of x into f of y. Now it is proved as f of x plus y. It is equal to RHS. Therefore you proved LHS equal to RHS. Write as very important example. It is asked for this year for 5 marks question. It is very important question. Write on this. Let's go for some assignment questions. First question: if a equal to 102, 0 to 1, 2, 0, 3, then prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equal to 0. This type already one or two example I completed. Similar to that work, first to calculate a cube by using a square. After that we take LHS and substitute all the values. Then we get matrix O. It is nothing but O matrix, that is 0 or null matrix. The second example, If A equal to 2, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, and B equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, and matrix C equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 4, 1, 2. Then verify that first result A into BC equal to AB into C. That is associative law. Second result for the same matrices, you verify that A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Next, third example, if A equal to 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 2, B equal to 6, 1, minus 1, 4, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, and matrix C equal to 2, minus 1, 4. Then verify that A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. This type 2 examples already I completed. You try this example. Okay, here I'll stop. Thank you.